Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas. This is one of the balcony staterooms here on board. I'll take you through the space in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a wall of storage on this side. So as I open this up, you're gonna have hanging storage across. It goes all the way here. You have shelves up and down, and then more hanging storage that'll pull down here as well. Directly across, you'll find the bathroom. As I step inside, you're gonna find that you have vanity space for storage here. This opens up for a bit more storage up and down behind and a little more down below. Now you have the toilet tucked behind. You step into the shower here. I do appreciate that they've got the bowed out shower door instead of the shower curtain. You've got the adjustable shower wand here, nook for amenities, and then they'll also replenish the bath amenities throughout your full stay. Just outside, you're going to find the temperature controls and a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready. And here you'll find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got two US plugs here and a European plug. There's storage on either side behind the mirror. There's drawers down below. You'll find your hairdryer in there. There's a bit more storage up above, and then just in here you've got your safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. Underneath, you've got your mini fridge. You'll also find that you have a flat panel TV, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. That's directly across from the large sofa. Now, this does fold out for additional bedding. Some do, some don't. Make sure you check the deck plans on HarrTravel.com or ask your advisor. Now, as we head further in, you're going to find the bed is together in what they call their Royal King configuration. It does split apart into two twins. If that's your preference, just let your Harr Travel advisor know. They'll note the record and we can communicate that with Royal. There's plenty of space for your large bags underneath the bed. And then on either side, you're going to have nightstands. I love that you got drawers to tuck things away completely. You have reading lamps and directional reading lights so you don't disturb your partner. So now we're out on your private balcony. Now, when this ship was constructed, it was one of the first to have the balconies cantilevered off the side, so they're much larger than a standard. You're gonna find the table and two chairs here. It does have a recline feature. I love that you have that fresh ocean air, different scenes each and every single day as you awake in different ports. For me, it's a great place for a nice cup of coffee or tea, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, and just enjoy everything that cruising has to offer. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home, make sure you check out our full ship tour on our channel, all the other rooms and suites, and then reach out to your Harr Travel advisor or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.